Coco with Mad Creations. I'm going to show you how to replace a wiper blade in the 2015. It has a little tab. You push the tab right here, and then you just pull your wiper blade out like that. This is your original looking one. Well, once you take off your original one, you want to grab a little set of pliers and push on this little tab, the little metal thingy right here on the old one. Grab it from the other side. Jesus Christ. Give me a second, guys. Grab it from this side. Pull this thing out. Well, depending on the wiper you get, it might come with it. Mine didn't. But this is the thing that you need. And my new wiper blade comes with this setup. If you want to use this setup, it's not going to work on the 2015, so it has to have this one with the little tab. So all you do is just snap it back in here, make sure it clicks, and you want to put the grommet that you took out in this little hole, because if you don't put this on, your windshield your wiper is going to be like this on your windshield. It's not going to have enough pressure. So you want to put this on while this thing is closed. Put it in here, get it level, and if you notice, this thing doesn't raise up anymore. Once you do that, oh shit, sorry, almost dropped you guys. You go back in here, put it in there, and then just pull back until you hear the little click. And you have new wiper blades. See you on the next video. Like, share, comment. Peace out.